everyone, my name is Raj and today I'll be telling you about the problem statement that is used in my organization. That is having the same approaches at all the levels. Have you ever felt judged by KPIs that don't actually reflect to your work? In my organization, every employee from junior analysts to senior managers were measured using the same performance criteria. What was meant to ensure consistency instead create frustration, confusion, and declining productivity. This pressure outlines how I redesigned that system using the AI powered 360-degree framework, which is known as the future of work, AI enabled fair and flexible KPI systems. Core issue here is the uniform KPI across all roles, which ignored the diversity in job function and seniority. Junior employees felt overburdened by unrealistic expectation, while senior staff felt unrestricted by rigid rules. Research shows that the one size fit all performance system reduces fairness and motivation. As a result, project timelines delayed and the overall efficiency is declined. So the proposed solution for this is, is to adopt a hybrid model that blends AI-driven tools, role-specific KPIs, and core standards to ensure flexibility, engagement, and efficiency. So the main agenda here to create this infographic is to give you an idea about the data visualization and analysis to see how the team is growing, and also the plan that shows the main steps, the research that is done, and also the professional skills that are developed. On the other hand, also setting up the mixed model, managing performance using AI driven tools, KPIs for each functions, and finally the hybrid solution, which is linked to better result and future career growth. So as we go ahead with the rationale, like the root cause, like why this is the main problem, there are three main things which we identified. Is the mismatch with the duties, adverse effect on performance, and limitations that arrived in the development and the adaptability. As you can see, there mismanagement in duties will lead to the variation in roles, responsibilities. Senior employees are limited by specific policies, while junior employees feel overburdened. Adverse effect on performance that will have missed deadlines and decreased productivity by unclear priorities, and also limitation for adaptability, such as organization find it difficult to innovate and adapt to shifting business needs in absence of roles, specific KPIs, or to adaptable systems. As per the research done, we have identified certain consequences, like when the staff prioritizing satisfying established standards over seeking process improvement, generic performance restricts creativity and originality. Using the same KPI in different role also causes biasness and performance distortion, which result in poor development feedback and incorrect appraisals. Inflexible KPI system make it difficult to respond quickly to changing market conditions or to cooperate objective. And also said by the Kim and Fernandez, when specific contributions are missed by uniform KPIs, workers feel undervalued and lose interest in their work, which leads to higher turnover. The research also shows the opportunities that are given. A 360-degree feedback AI hybrid model increases trust, engagement, and organizational learning levels while building an accessible development focused environment. AI-enabled 360 feedback improves managerial decisions making and reducing evaluations biasness while focusing on open and equitable performance. Continuous alignment of KPIs is the main opportunity with strategic objectives made possible by utilizing AI-driven tools which offers real-time insights for the employer growth. Feedback system with AI support increases leadership flexibility by making sure that evaluation focus on development and behavior improvement. By integrating digital HR platforms, active personal planning and long-term performance modifications are made possible by the improved data accuracy and the various evaluation processes. In the previous assignment too, I analyzed peer and instructors' feedback, where I found out that Donald recommended integrated a 360-degree feedback system to ensure fairness. Ashish suggested strengthening leadership culture and flexibility. Harun highlighted the needs to understand why the uniform system was adopted for cost and control are the reasons. So any solution must remain effective. Combining these insights, the analysis revealed three drivers of the problem: bias in the evaluation, rigid leaderships, and lack of adaptability. Hence, the solution needed is to be balanced between fairness, flexibility, and efficiency. My proposed solution is a hybrid AI-driven performance model built around four pillars: AI-driven 360 framework, ensuring fairness through unbiased multi-source input, enhancing continuous improvement; leadership development, train leaders to adopt flexible employee-central coaching, boosting engagement and trust; hybrid KPI framework, combining AI-driven rules, specific KPIs with standard metrics for equity and efficiency. And the last one is the continuous monitoring and data visualization using smart dashboards for quarterly reviews to track trend and make real-time adjustments. Here is the list of reference.